project here was to be joined, and also I was to be joined by my name. You have not mentioned this. If you would be kind enough.
In which petition?
Yeah.
In which one?
Which cohort?
This I'm sorry, I don't have papers, but this one.
Okay. We'll enjoin you. In your own name?
Yes, it's my own name. John M. And of course, the two have been done.
So you are petitioner number 8?
No.
Interested party number 8?
Party number 8.
Yes.
That's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my Lord. We just want to restate the position that the urgency in this matter cannot be gainsaid or cannot be lost, my Lord. Under the contention that the replies have not been made, that we have not made replies, is not correct because we have filed our responses. And my Lord, at the end of the day, the very essence that led to the empanelment of these churches will actually be lost, because then we would be going back and forth, and at the end of the day, my Lord, we will not have served the public, the greater public interest or the greater public good that led to the empanelment, which you made a determination yesterday, my Lord. We would urge that we be able to proceed and argue this matter conclusively and rest it once and for all.
Thank you. We are no longer accepting any further submissions. I'm saying this, that it is not for court to direct parties when to respond to pleadings. It is not for court to direct parties when to respond to pleadings. But one thing which I can assure you, that this bench will not allow anybody to take the process of court in circles. So if you have been served the document, whether petition or an application, if you don't respond, the court is allowed to infer that you have no response. If a petition has been filed and you have not responded to it, the court will make inference that you have no response to that petition. And by the very nature of these proceedings, we all acknowledge that they are public interest proceedings. No party will be allowed to take the court in circles. So I ask you, respond to the pleadings, file your petitions, respond to them. Don't come and ask for leave in a manner to suggest that you want to take this court in circles. We meet at 2:30.
Very keen on this setting aside.
That is
Tell us.